Hi everyone, I'm Barbara, the Adult Services Librarian at the North Brunswick Library, and I'm back again today with another episode of Origami with Barbara. Today we're going to be making this decorative origami fidget toy, and it moves. It is made of 6 pieces of origami paper, and I will show you how to fold the pieces and glue them together to make this fun fidget toy. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of paper, and this is, I think it's about 6 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is fold it on the diagonal. And then fold it again. Fold it again. And then take the top and fold it down, because we're trying to make an accordion fold here. And crease it good. Okay. And flip it and do it the same way on this side. Fold it over. Then we're going to open it up. Okay, and we're going to fold it in half. Fold the top piece down. And flip it. And then fold the other piece like that. Okay, so now we're just going to make the accordion fold using all the creases that we have from our previous folds. Okay, and this is what we have. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you are going to just hold it whichever way is easier for you, and then you're gonna, you see you have layers here. You're gonna slowly pull out one of the layers like this, very carefully. And try to fold it back down, so as you can see now, looks like a V, right? And then go from the other side. You can, if you can see this really good, but see the layers. We're going to pull out another. And you could just use your, oh, actually if I open it up this way, it's easier to pull them apart. Okay, so push them together. Pull this one out a little bit more. So now, as you can see, I don't know, kind of looks a little bit like a W. Now you're going to try to pull, wait a minute, there's one more. It's easier to go from this side. You're going to pull them again. And this one you might just need to help it along a little bit. Because it's gonna look like an M or a W. And there you go. So that's one of our pieces. Okay, I'm just going to put that aside. Let's do another one. Okay, we're going to fold that in half. Put that W over there. Fold it in half again. And again. And then you're going to fold the top piece down. Flip it and fold this piece down as well. Now we're going to open it up. And we're going to fold it over. Try to get it as even as you can. Okay. Then we're going to fold the top piece down like that. Okay. Just make sure I got that even. You could always fix it if you didn't get it even. And then flip it and fold this piece over on the other side. Okay, so now you see you have your fold. So again, we're gonna accordion fold all the way through. Oops. Keep on folding until you get it completely done. All right, I might have done a little bit crooked there. Okay, I'm going to fix it. Fix it. Okay, and the last piece. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start pulling it apart. And you could see our layers here. So first thing, just kind of grab it one side, gently pull it apart. I was able to pull that apart. Now fold it together, and you'll see, I'm going to pull it out a little bit more, you'll see you have a V. Okay, now you're going to pull from the other side. Just grab it here. Help it out. I mean, you can pull them apart yourself if it's not easy enough. So see how I'm just gently pulling out. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we go. Looks like that now. Flip it over, because what you want to do now is you're going to be making your M or your W. There you go. See? Very good. Okay, so we are going to make 4 more of these. We have 6 of them all together. I'll be back and show you how to join them. Okay, here's the part where we are going to be gluing our pieces together. So just pick up your first piece, and I'm using a glue stick, but you can use white glue, either an Elmer's or a tacky. So just go ahead and glue one of the sides. And okay, so then just press your next piece against it. Just make sure that they're lined up. You might have to, you know, push the pieces in or pull the pieces out to align them the best that you can. You know, but just, there you go. Maybe a little bit more on this side, but yeah, that's basically it. And then take your glue again and glue this side, and take my next piece here and place it down. Let's line it up. And they're not perfect, but just, you know, just try to position it the best that you can. You could check out both sides just to make sure. Okay, that looks good. Take your glue stick again. Try to get a lot of glue on there. And take your next piece. Place it down. That looks good, actually. So, yeah, that looks good. You know, keep on maneuvering it just to make sure that you got it pretty straight. Okay. Again with the glue stick. Just wants to pop up. But push it down, and then here we go. We take another piece, lay it on top. You know, just eyeball it, make sure that it's pretty straight. Check the other side. This might need to be pushed down a little bit. Just play with it. The glue is still, you know, wet enough to maneuver and get it even. Okay. Won't be perfect, but hey, this is your first try. Okay. I'm going to take our last piece, glue it. And turn it over, make sure you got it fairly even. Okay, and then the last thing, you know, it's not quite ready, you know, I'm going to try to glue the two ends together. Very gentle here so that pieces are coming apart, but just do the best you can. Get them glued together. This piece I'm going to have to push it back. You know, here's where you can stretch it because it is quite stretchy. You get those end pieces together and press them. Giving me trouble, but anyway, you get the picture. So try to, I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Yes, try to push them together and get them to dry, and then we'll come back and try our toys out. Okay, I finished gluing it and it looks like it's ready to use. Alright, I like the way that this one turned out, and I hope you have fun making one yourself. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.